So this is how you do it.
That's how I was able to multiply my income. Instant and passive income. If you don't have cash to get started, I can share with you how I earn money without any investment at all other than a little bit of time.
Stamping my currency. Also giving away free products with my information on it.
This is $10,000 right here. I want to go ahead and unwrap it for you guys. Each one of these is $1,000. So I'll go ahead and count this in front of you guys. Let's just go ahead and pull one out.
I lose both these games, I lose 10 racks today.
How you can start earning $100 to $1,000 instant cash commissions daily. It's not rocket science. It's really just following simple instructions. You're going to be able to start if you start earning at least $10,000 plus per month. Another 30 here.